Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, KM Cho and Adab. My name is Ravi Bansal. I'm associated with Sairav Venture Private Limited. Sairav Venture is a good reputed company in the market. So guys, मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ one of the most beautiful project Adani Samsara which is situated in sector 60. In this video हम जानेंगे कि why this is called as a prime location of the Gurgaon. So time waste ना मैं आपको सीधा लेके चलता हूँ गुड़गांव के मास्टर प्लान में. Here is the master plan of the Gurgaon and this is the NH8 of the Gurgaon. This orange line आप देखेंगे ये orange line गुड़गांव के ऑलमोस्ट सभी पार्ट को कवर कर रही है. सेकेंड लाइन इज दैट द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे and the third one is the new Gurgaon and this one is the golf course extension road. This called as a prime location of Gurgaon because it's as the golf course road. Rapid metro is just far away from 2.5 kilometer. That's why it's the main location of the Gurgaon in golf course extension road at Adani Samsara. Here you will see another road. This is a 90-meter purpose road which also connect to the in future to South Delhi and toward to Manesar. Now we are going to Adani Samsara. This is golf course. This circle you will circle. You will see this circle. This is the golf course extension and sector 60. The Adani Samsara is situated. The line and the stretch is from the golf course road, then it's combined to the golf course extension road. Here in this circle you will see a lot of project like is REO City, REO Skyon, Paras Trinity, Heritage Max. So the whole part is the golf course extension road. Now I hope you will understand a little bit location from this part, from this master plan. So अब हम सीधा चलते हैं अडानी समसारा which is situated in sector 60. So guys, here you will see a AV walkthrough जिससे आपको पता लगेगा कि ये प्रोजेक्ट दिखता कैसे है. It's a ready to move project. It's having a 16-acre site and having a 74 plots which the total number of units is 220. This is the first entrance of this project and between this project you will see a beautiful lake which stretch 1.5 kilometer. This is the 16-acre site location of map and here between this you will see a lake.
An enchanting path.
There are a lot of green area in this project. Generally guys 16 एकड़ के अंदर जो हाई राइज अपार्टमेंट होते हैं वो होते हैं 1600 1500 but Adani will provide only 222 apartment in 16 acre. So this is the low density premium floors. So here you will see a calm pieces and lot of green area in this project.
Let there be samsara in your life.
This is a kids play of area
Samsara
of this project and here our project situated in the red pink.
comes to the heart of Gurgaon.
And this is the road map where NH8 is only 160 meters, Cyber City is only 20 meters, Golf Course Road is only 2 minutes far away. So this is called as the prime location of Gurgaon. It's also called as the heart city of the Gurgaon. Here we are talking about the lake and 200 plus units there. This is the 3 or 4 BHK luxurious villa floors. अच्छा guys, एक बात मैं बताना भूल गया. In this apartment you will get a 1/3 terrace and 1/3 basement also. Yeah, this is a unique concept of this project. This is the clubhouse of Adani, which is the biggest clubhouse in Delhi NCR. This is the Miracle, Adani Miracle. This is the mall also situated in this project.
And solitude.
In this project you will feel secure, joy of community living.
Everything the way you always wanted.
This is the banquet hall of this project. The designed by the world renowned architect. Here in this project we will provide a lift also. Guys, we will provide a elevator also. this is the master bedroom which will be designed. This is the basement we are talking about. You will get, and this is the terrace you will get.
So come,
Size of this
reunite
terrace
with
295
songs,
square feet and the basement is 800 square
and
feet.
celebrate
Yes.
life at
एंड गाइस मैं बताना भूल गया था कि टेरेस को भी हम लोग डिज़ाइन करके देंगे, जिसके अंदर आपको टेरेस गार्डन आपको मिलता है. Here is the branded we will look like as a sample flat. Now we go into the sample flat. अब आप जान गए होंगे कि why this is called as a prime location of गुड़गांव. या इन दिस वीडियो नाउ अब हम बात कर लेते हैं इसके क्लब हाउस की, एंड सेकंड वन इज द मिरेकल मॉल्स की. सो इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट यू विल गेट आल्सो ए lavish club house. This is the one of the biggest club house in the Delhi NCR. The size of this club house is 1,30,000 square feet. In this club house you will get indoor outdoor game like as a squash card, basketball, tennis court, table tennis, carom, gym, spa, hotels room, guest rooms, multi cuisine restaurants, Chinese restaurants. Guys, मैं जिन रेस्टोरेंट्स की बात कर, दिस इज द इंटरनेशनल लेवल ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स. एंड द सेकंड वन जिम स्पा आल्सो हैविंग ए हाईली ब्रांड लाइक एज ए कोल्ड जिम. एंड द होटल्स रूम भी ये 5 स्टार होटल्स के लिए जाने जाएंगे. या दैट्स वाई. एंड द सेकंड वन इज द मिरेकल मॉल. इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर आपको एक मिरेकल मॉल का एक्सेस भी मिलता है. ये दिस प्रोजेक्ट आल्सो एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ this mall, also in corner of the Miracle Mall. It contains the retail shops which having a highly brand like as Adidas, Pantaloons, and Reeboks. So guys, so in these projects you will get all the things. 24/7 nursing homes. Second one, in this project, you will get a highly branded mall. Third one is a lavish clubhouse where you will get all the facilities. So that's why we are called a luxurious project in premium floors by the Adani. Yeah, guys, I hope you will get. I hope ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. So if you like the video, so please subscribe